Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is a burger without color. And this one is not your HW. So remember this very carefully. So look at the screen. First, draw a curved line like this, okay, and draw these lines. Then draw this type of line and give another bun like this and give here the cheese like this. Give here the another line and finish it like this. Okay, and give here a pin. Give some tiny white seeds. And if you want for fun, you can use here this. Okay, all of you practice at your home. This one is not your SW. Practice at your home. No more to that. Thank you.